More homes for sale, higher prices, and low days on market? What's going on here? I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. During April, homes for sale reached a 7-month high and were way up compared with last April. More supply didn't bring down prices. So far this year, the median sales price for a single-family detached home in the East Bay topped $1.2 million. Even with these record-setting prices, homes sold quickly. A home was on the market an average of 11 days during April. Let's see what's happening locally, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Compared with last April, more choices for buyers almost everywhere. Hayward up 65%, though Oakland was down 12%. Prices up almost everywhere. Alameda and Albany were the only communities in the East Bay where prices dropped. Fremont and Hayward both up more than 20%. Sales down almost everywhere. Castro Valley down more than 30% and Oakland down 20%. West Contra Costa County is up next. Homes for sale. Up in the smaller communities, Richmond unchanged and San Pablo down almost 30%. Prices way up. Richmond up 35% to $845,000. Sales up almost everywhere. Hercules is the exception, down 21%. Let's check out Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere. Martinez, 30 for sale, up 50%. Prices up. Clayton up more than 35%. Walnut Creek, 1.85, up more than 20%. Sales down almost everywhere. Walnut Creek, 47 sold, down more than 50%. Next up is La Miranda. Homes for sale, down. Lafayette, 19 for sale, down more than 40%. Prices way up. 20% or more in La Miranda, with prices in the $2.3 million range. Sales down. Lafayette and Moraga both down more than 30%. The Tri-Valley is up next. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere. Big increases in Danville and Dublin. Prices way up. Alamo and Danville both up more than 30%. Dublin and San Ramon up almost 30%. Sales down everywhere. Danville and Pleasant both down more than 40%. Alamo down more than 60%. Let's wrap things up in the Delta. Homes for sale. More choices almost everywhere. Antioch, 116 for sale, more than double from last April. Prices up everywhere. Antioch, 695, up more than 20%. Brentwood is approaching 900,000. Sales down everywhere. Discovery Bay down more than 50%. Rumors about buyer fatigue from rising interest rates and high prices are getting louder. Fewer sales throughout the East Bay during April could indicate we're approaching a tipping point. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next month.